Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
The Gandharva said, "Dear Lord, all the demigods, including Lord Shiva, Lord Brahma, Indra and Maharishi and the great sages, are all only differentiated parts and parcels of your body. You are the Supreme Almighty Great. The whole creation is just like a plaything for you. We always accept you as the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and we offer our respectful obeisances unto you." In the Brahm Samhita, it is said that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. There may be many gods, from Brahma, Lord Shiva, Indra and Chandra, down to the rulers of the lower planetary systems, the presidents, ministers, chairmen and kings. In fact, anyone can think that he is God. That is the false, puffed-up conviction of material life. Actually, Vishnu is the Supreme Lord, but there is even one above Vishnu, for Vishnu is also the plenary portion of a part of Krishna. In this verse, this is referred to by the word amshamsha, which refers to part and parcel of a part and parcel. There are similar verses in the Caitanya Charitamrita which indicate that the Supreme Lord's parts and parcels again expand into other parts and parcels. As described in Srimad Bhagwatam, there are many manifestations of Vishnu and many manifestations of living entities. Vishnu manifestations are called svamsha, partial manifestations, and the living entities are called vibhinamsha. The demigods like Brahma and Indra have been promoted to such exalted positions by pious activities and austerities, but actually Vishnu, or Krishna, is the master of everyone. In the Caitanya Charitamrita it is said, Ekale Ishvara Krishna Arasabha Britya. This means that Krishna alone is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and all others, even the Vishnu Tattva and certainly the living entities, are his servitors. Baldev is the immediate expansion of Krishna. He also engages in the service of Krishna, and certainly the ordinary living entities are serving. Everyone is created constitutionally for serving Krishna. Here the Gandharvas acknowledge that although the demigods may represent themselves as the supreme, actually they are not supreme. Real supremacy belongs to Krishna. Krishna's Tu Bhagavan Svayam is the statement of Srimad Bhagwatam. Krishna is the only Supreme Lord. Worship of Krishna alone, therefore, includes worship of all the parts and parcels, just as watering the root of a tree also waters all the branches, twigs, leaves and flowers.